Xbox.
If you're looking for parts for this laptop, go to our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. The first thing you want to do is unscrew and remove the access door. Now unscrew and remove the battery. Next, unscrew the hard drive. After that, lift the hard drive out of the laptop and unplug the hard drive connector. Next, remove the hard drive caddy screws on both sides of the hard drive. Now remove the caddy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And if you need more, check out this playlist to watch other tutorials for your laptop. You can also click here to find parts for your laptop at partspeople.com.